टैक्स से मत डरो, H&R ब्लॉग को सब्सक्राइब करो।
Are you under the age of 35 and still confused about your finances? Don't worry, you're not alone. Everyone dreams about becoming financially independent by their mid 30s. But how do you get there? As a new member of the workforce, your finances can seem very daunting, and talking to your peers about money can leave you feeling even more clueless. So, we are here today with 10 financial milestones you should aim to achieve by 35. This will put you on the right track to achieving all your long-term aspirations. So, let's get started. Learn to say no. Imagine this. You get invited to go on a destination bachelor or bachelorette party. You can go, you can get the time off. But looking at your budget, the only way you can afford to go on this trip is if you put it on your credit card. You think hard about it. In the end, you just say no. Living a debt-free life and putting your financial freedom first is a key lesson that you need to incorporate into your habits by the time you're 35. Learn how interest works. It is frustrating to keep making payments towards your credit card bills or student loans, only to find out that your debt is not going down. You keep making the payments, but the debt refuses to disappear completely. Before you take out a loan, you must figure out how much it is going to cost you. Making the minimum payment on your loan with a 7 to 10% interest rate is going to cost you a lot more than the principal amount in the long run. On your high interest debt, it's even worse. Settle the debt with the highest interest rate first and make an extra payment from your savings. Pay off a debt early. Yes, it's convenient to pay off your debt in small installments, but they can really add up and end up costing you a lot more than you bargained for. Instead, try saving up and cutting back on expenses and pay off a debt earlier than scheduled. Build an emergency fund. Things have been going well. However, there are a few things that could happen which might affect the momentum. The first thing that you need to do is build an emergency fund to protect yourself. Put this money in a separate account and do not touch it. Start investing. Saving money in an emergency fund is important, but you need to realize how much interest your money could be generating if invested efficiently. Start looking for avenues to invest more profitably. Get in touch with a professional who can handle these investments on your behalf to minimize risks. Start small and slowly grow your portfolio. You will be surprised at the returns you can get on money that you invested instead of money that's trapped in a savings account. Check out our blog to find out the best investment plans in India. You can find the link in the description as well. Start tracking your net worth. Your net worth can grow fast when you're paying yourself first and spending less than you earn every month. Start tracking your net worth over time and check in every month or so to review how things are going. Start to think strategically about your career. Don't start to get too comfortable just because things are going well in your career at the moment. Keep your eyes open for a new job, new position, or even to start a lucrative side business. A few conversations with your friends and your mentors can help you decide whether to make a career move. The idea is to not get too comfortable in your current job and to keep things moving forward. Actively work towards clearing all your debts. The longer you put off paying an existing debt, the more it drains out of your earnings. Before you make a new purchase or take out a big loan, sit down and review your current status. Paying off existing debts must be a priority before you can make any big purchases or take any new loans. Start to think about the future and set long-term goals. Up until now, you were only thinking about the past and the present. You were only trying to make enough money to pay your bills. But now, you need to start thinking about the future. You start thinking about potential expenses in the next few years. A car, a wedding, down payment on a new house. It's not like money is going to fall from a tree to pay for these things. You need to take matters into your own hands and start being responsible. With that in mind, you need to start setting aside money to pay for these things. And most importantly, financial independence. Envision what life would be like with no debt and all your future needs provided for. Your money belongs solely to you, and you don't have to worry about where the money for your next big purchase is coming from. It feels different, but more importantly, financial independence allows you to start gearing your life more towards happiness and less towards money. So, here it is, the 10 financial milestones you should aim to achieve by 35. I hope this video succeeded in giving you a sense of direction. If you found this video useful, please like it and share it with your friends and family. Drop us your comments about personal finance in the comments below. Subscribe to H&R Block India by clicking the red button below to get information about personal finance, GST, and saving taxes. Check out these videos as well. And when in doubt, always remember, tax se mat daro, H&R Block ke saath chalo.